how to use coconut breaking to protect yourself from witches and wizards. Today I'm going to be talking about how to use coconut breaking to protect yourself from witches and wizards. This is New Life with Precious. My name is Precious and I welcome you back to my channel. Thank you so much. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, subscribe my channel right now and turn on your notification bell for more videos. Thank you so much. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a very powerful spiritual importance and benefit of coconut breaking. A lot of people have no idea how powerful coconut is. This is coconut right here, and I tell you, this coconut carries a lot of miraculous spiritual benefits if only you know. What I'm about to share with you right now is not diabolical. This is not magic. Okay? This is purely spiritual and it is for your own benefit. I have used this and a lot of people have shared their testimonies with me, and I'm so happy that this actually worked for them. It worked for me, it worked for them, and I pray it's going to work for you too. So what I'm about to share with you is not diabolical. Coconut is made by God Almighty. And I tell you, this coconut right here has a lot of spiritual benefits for the use of mankind. You know, as I always tell you guys, the spiritual controls the physical. Before anything comes out in the physical, it has already happened in the spiritual. And this is beyond just these physical eyes. Okay? So, if you are having any problems, you're having any spiritual problems, you're having marriage problems, you're having business failure, you're having relationship breakdown, you're having sickness, you're having diseases, your children are having problems, whatever your problems might be, you can use coconuts to solve your problem. You can use coconut to protect yourself from witches and wizards. I tell you, there are witches and wizards. They are all over the place. But if you don't know what spiritual solutions to use to protect yourself, how do you solve this problem? How do you protect yourself? So you really need to do something about this. From today on, just start using coconut. All you have to do is just get one coconut. And you have to keep doing these things. It's not something you will do today and you will leave tomorrow. Keep breaking at least one coconut every day. You have to break the coconut, and when you're breaking the coconut, you have to make sure you don't eat from the flesh. Don't eat the coconut inside. Don't drink the water. Don't let the water even splash on you. Don't let it get on your skin or on your hand. If it gets on your hand, make sure you wash your hand after. So while you breaking the coconut, you're going to be praying to God, because this has to be made with prayer. When you break this coconut, when you're breaking it, you have to pray to this coconut. You have to reject whatever Your problem is you have to bind every spiritual problem in your life. You have to speak to God. Like, God, this is my issue. I want these problems to leave my life right now. I want these problems to be solved right now. I want this. Whatever. If you want to attract anything into your life, you want to attract wealth, want to attract money, you want to attract good health, you want to attract prosperity, whatever it is. You want to protect yourself from witches and wizards. You want your business to start progressing. Whatever it is, you have to pray. Then you have to break that coconut. So after breaking that coconut, you have to throw it away. Don't eat out of it. Don't drink the water. Don't let the water get on your hand. Don't let it get on your skin. If it gets on you, make sure you wash it off right away. So you have to keep doing this every day. And you have to do this for like 30 days in a row. Break at least one coconut every single day. Okay? If you have more coconut, 2, 3, 4, 5 coconuts in a day, you can do that. But you can use just one. If you have more, do more. Okay? So, and I tell you, this is going to work for you too. This is very spiritual, and this is very beneficial for your spiritual life. If you want to protect yourself from witches and wizards, start breaking coconut today. How to use coconut breaking to protect yourself from witches and wizards. And I tell you, this is going to work for you. This is going to help your life. And I pray in the name of God, you will have your own testimony too. I pray in the name of Allah, you're going to have your own testimony too. Whatever your religion is, it doesn't really matter. This is not diabolical. This is made by God. Whatever religion you belong to, you are a Muslim, you are a Christian, you are a traditionalist, use coconut breaking. Break coconut every single day. And this is how to use coconut breaking to protect yourself from witches and wizards. How to use coconut breaking to attract prosperity, money, wealth, good health into your life. Do this and leave your testimony in the comment section. If you have any questions for me, feel free to drop them in the comment section, and I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. This is New Life with Precious. If you like this video, if you love this video, give this video a thumbs up right now. Subscribe to my channel right now. Turn on your notification bell for more videos. Thank you so much. I love you so much. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.